How you guys doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be doing a house tour. So today I'm in Bowie, Maryland, and I'll be touring a townhouse. So this video is pretty much a comparison video. What you can get here for $550,000 versus what you can get in Jamaica for the same price. So come along with me, guys. Let me know what your thoughts are, and if you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe. So like, share, and comment. Thank you, guys. So this could be a living area or man cave. You have a double door that leads to the patio, and it's covered. And you see there's a full bath right here. So we have a tub, shower combination, vanity, we have here a closet, and this is a utility closet. And this right here would be the garage. So you would drive in here, and from the garage, you come right in here. Like I said, storage, well, closet, bathroom, so you go up the stairs. This is the first floor. So right here would be the dining area. And this would be the powder room. So powder room. So we have the kitchen, so everything is open concept. So this would be the family room. So there we have the TV wall. Nice fireplace. We have the balcony. So like I said, family room. We have the kitchen. Everything is open. Double wall oven. Gas cooktop. Over the range microwave. We have I think this would be a linen closet.
Thank you. I'm putting my things out. He knows how to make things happen.
And pantry. No, you're good. So this is the first floor. So let me take you to the second floor. So the second floor is where all the bedrooms are. So you come upstairs and this is a shared bathroom. So we have the tub shower combination. From there, we have a laundry closet. You have a stockable unit. From there, we have a bedroom. So it's on the smaller side, but nonetheless, it's still nice. So there's a closet, a small closet. And next to this bedroom is another bedroom. Carpet floors. Reaching closet. So let me take you back to the hallway. And in the hallway next to the bathroom, we have a linen closet. And from the linen closet, from the hallway, we enter into the primary bedroom. So it's a decent sized family. I'm sorry, it's a decent sized primary bedroom. I'm sorry, I was so tempted to say master bedroom, but primary bedroom. So from there we have a walk-in closet. So it's a decent sized walk-in closet. Primary bath. There we have shower, frameless glass. We have the seat. The toilet is enclosed for privacy. It's a double vanity. So this is the primary bedroom and this is the hallway. So there's another level, which is the third floor, which is an open loft. So let me take you up there. Window for natural lighting. So this is the third level or third floor. So this is an open loft. We have a small sink. You can do hosting up here. We also have a powder room where it's just a toilet and a face basin. And the beauty about this is the balcony. Check out that view. So this is the town of Bowie, or city of Bowie. This is the city of Bowie, Maryland. So let me take you back inside. So for me, I would use this loft as for hosting, pretty much, or a man cave, or you could even use it as a bedroom. It's nice.